Hi everyone, ranch oven roasted potatoes. Only 4 ingredients, comes together in a little over an hour. Nice and crispy and crunchy on the outside, pillowy on the inside. A couple secret tricks that you need to know to do this, but if you want to make this recipe for your family, perfect side dish with any protein, keep watching. Okay guys, here are the ingredients for roasted ranch potatoes. Now I'm using Simply Potatoes. I don't know if you're familiar with these. They are in the refrigeration aisle. They are not frozen, so there's less moisture. Or you can dice up some potatoes if you want to go all fresh, but you know my channel's about quick, fast, and easy. You need some olive oil, you need some butter, and a packet of ranch. And I am going to use some black pepper. I've double, triple lined my baking sheet, so I have less cleanup. My oven is heated to 400 degrees. I'm going to go ahead and put that in the oven and show you, and then show you how to get these potatoes ready. We are going to boil them for about 15 minutes max. Let's get cooking. Okay guys, you always want to start boiling potatoes with cold water. So I'm going to fill my pot up with cold water. Okay, it's just my husband and myself, so I'm using 1 package of the Simply Potatoes. Now if you're having a party and having a bunch of people over, you will definitely need more potatoes than this. And I like these because, like I said, it's quick and probably it's just going to be me eating them. So I'm going to put that on the eye. That will come to a boil for about 15 minutes. Okay guys, here's where you add the olive oil. Not a whole lot, just a little bit. I'm just eyeballing this. Then you want to add your packet of ranch seasoning. And you want to stir that. Make sure it's very well mixed. And this is what you toss the potatoes in. That's all set. Pan is in the oven at 400 degrees. Okay, you see the potatoes are boiling. They've been boiling for about 15 minutes. So now I'm going to show you the next step, and this is crucial. Okay, you want to drain your potatoes. And this is crucial step. Shake off all the excess water. I see one of them has a piece of skin on it, so I'm going to take that out, this one here. Get all the water out, then you want to take your pot and put your potatoes back in. And then you need your lid, and this is important. You want to shake these and rough them up. This will give you your crispy edges on your potatoes. So make sure you shake them very well. Try and get them nice and rough on the edges. Okay guys, here I'm going to add my ranch, butter, and olive oil mixture into the potatoes. Try and get all that goodness in there. And I'm just going to kind of stir them around a little bit. And once again, you want to shake them. That way you get a good mixture of the seasoning. Okay, I have my piping hot. Hear the sizzle? That's what you want. You want to smooth these out into a thin layer. That helps them crisp up on the bottom by making sure your pan is hot with the oil and the butter. And just smooth that out. And I didn't add any salt to the water when I boiled the potatoes because the ranch seasoning packet has plenty of salt, but season after to taste. Okay, those are smoothed out. Put this back in the oven at 400 degrees for 45 minutes. Okay, see how it's starting to brown up? So halfway through, you want to flip your potatoes. "45 minutes in the oven, ranch roasted potatoes." I'm going to get everything set up and tell you guys my joke. Okay guys, there you have it. I did sprinkle some fresh parsley on top. They're nice and soft and pillowy on the inside and crispy and crunchy on the outside with a really nice ranch flavor. And I did taste them. They didn't need any extra salt. One reason I don't taste on camera, just let me tell you, my husband hates when people talk with food in their mouth, and I'm known for doing it. Throw a cracker in and start talking, and he loses his cool. So yes, they are perfect. I am gonna add some black pepper. So let me tell you guys my joke. Okay guys, here's my joke. A mom takes her daughter to the doctor. The doctor says, okay, what seems to be the problem? The mother says, my daughter Susie, she keeps getting these cravings, she's putting on weight, and she's sick most mornings. The doctor gives Susie a good, thorough examination, then turns to the mother and says, well, I don't have to tell you this, but Susie is pregnant. About 4 months would be my guess. The mother says, pregnant? She can't be pregnant. She's never been left alone with a man. Susie says, Mama, I never even kissed a man. The doctor walks over to the window and just stares outside of it. A few moments later, the mother says, is there something wrong out there, doctor? The doctor says, no, not really. Just last time something like this happened, a star appeared in the east and 3 wise men came over a hill, and I'll be damned if I'm going to miss it this time. I thought that was pretty funny. I guess like she's the Virgin Mary since she never had sex. That was a good way to put it. But anyway, I want to thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share. Give this recipe a try if you want to change up on some potatoes. And definitely, if you're not a fan of store-bought potatoes that are pre-prepared, go ahead and peel you some potatoes. Just make sure you get the oven really hot and the pan hot. It accelerates the crispiness. And I would add some extra salt if you need it. I didn't need it, but my husband said it needed salt on the potatoes. I was worried with the ranch packet that it would be too salty. But yeah, they're really crispy on the outside, nice on the inside, and perfect, like I said, with any protein. So you guys have a good evening. God bless, and I hope to see you on the next one.